Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Adelina Vilma. For today's episode, I'm going to make this tasty sautéed vermicelli or Ginisang Sotanghon. Do you want to know the secret of making this flavorful Sotanghon or vermicelli? If you do, then please continue watching and I will show you how to do it. Today is my birthday! As a way of giving back for supporting my channel, I have a surprise gifts for 3 of my subscribers. Just answer my question at the end of this video. Please stay tuned, guys. Put a cup of peanut oil in a pan. While the oil is not yet hot, add the bunch of garlic. Fry the garlic until brown and set aside for toppings. Then add to the garlic oil the annatto powder. Fry the seasoned shrimp, cook well to bring out the good flavor. After a good fry of shrimp, remove from the pan for toppings. Add the onions, followed by the garlic. Then add the boiled shredded chicken. Season with crushed pepper and patis or fish sauce. After adding the fish sauce, please don't stir the mixture. Then add the minced Chinese sausage and mix well. After a good stir fry of the chicken and Chinese sausage, add the chicken broth. Scrape all the sides of the pan. There's a good flavors in there. When the chicken broth starting to boil, add the minced hydrated black fungus. When the broth reaches the boiling point, add the vermicelli or Sotanghon. I didn't soak my vermicelli from warm water, so the good flavor of chicken broth will absorb by the vermicelli or Sotanghon. Season with the rest of the fish sauce. Then add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar for added tangy flavors and to extend the life of the vermicelli or Sotanghon. Using kitchen scissors, cut the vermicelli or Sotanghon according to your desired length of your glass noodles. To add more garlicky flavor, put the minced fried garlic that we prepared at the very start. Then add the sliced green onion. I cook the green onion instead of putting as a topping to prevent from easy spoiling of the glass noodles. adding crunchy textures, I add pork rinds. This is an optional step if you are not eating pork. For adding umami flavors, aside from fish sauce, I added oyster sauce. Then adding the rest of the green onions. To balance and to soften the flavor, I added sugar. The vermicelli is good. Here's the sautéed vermicelli, topped with a sliced hard-boiled egg, fried shrimp, crushed pork rinds, and more fried garlic. Tasting this, delicious! Just like a hybrid of pancit and pancit palabok. Anyway, okay, we're gonna taste. Get it. Get some slice of you know what, guys, compared to other pancit, this Sotanghon or vermicelli, you don't need to have a lot of vegetables. All you need to do is make the pancit flavorful. All the ingredients is really different. They're, what do you call that word? Complement each other. There's salty from fish sauce, and then sweet from the sugar, and also from the oyster sauce, and of course from Chinese sausage. Yum, yum! Speechless. Also from chicharron or the pork rinds. I put pork rinds too. You don't need to have a lot of vegetables compared to pancit or canton. Pancit Bihon, I mean. The reason why I'm wearing red today, because by the time it's this video will gonna be published, it's my birthday! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Oh, thank you so much, honey. Why don't you join me here? Anyway, okay. This is my question. Actually, this is not a question. It's a request. Can you please greet me with my first two names? If you do, then please comment down below. And you have a chance to win. Okay? Plus one winner of this yummy delicious ensaymada, my hubby's favorite ensaymada. The winner can request the flavors, either purple yam or cheese flavors or both. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now! The lucky winner will be announced next week. Okay? Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! Thank you so much! I'm not lying. This is really good. The secret of this is from the chicken broth. This one is really easy, but you need to have an extra step, which is doing or making a chicken broth. That's why this one is very flavorful. Okay? Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you.